That's what we about. Living by the sea, sipping on some rum under the shade of a tree. That's what we about. Just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free. That's what we about. Living by the sea, sipping on some rum under the shade of a tree. That's what we about. Just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free.
Are you guys having a brother or a sister?
A brother.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Is he gonna be your best friend?
Yeah. Blueberry.
You wanna name him Blueberry? What do you wanna name him, Crew?
Crew.
You wanna name him Crew, so we're gonna have two Crews?
Yeah.
Crew, do you think that this little brother is gonna like Lightning McQueen?
Yeah. LOL.
Oh, you think he's gonna like LOL dolls?
Yeah.
How big do you think this baby's gonna be?
Maybe 1.5.
Crew, how big do you think the baby's gonna be?
Real small.
Real small?
Yeah.
How do you hold a baby?
Like this. Like this.
Are you gonna let him sleep in your room, Crew?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Is it on the room?
Oh, he'll sleep in his room?
I want a baby Crew in my room.
Oh, you want baby Crew to sleep in your room? Why Blueberry?
Because I like him.
You like Blueberry? So we're gonna name the baby Blueberry. What other names?
Strawberry shortcake.
You wanna name him Strawberry Shortcake? What about you, Crew?
I'm gonna name Wayne Queen.
You're gonna name him Lightning McQueen?
I want to teach you how to do too.
How to YouTube? Do you think that your little brother is gonna like to take pictures?
No.
Are you excited about your little brother?
Yeah.
How does the baby come out?
You do a shot, your baby come out.
Are you gonna change his diaper?
Yeah, it was stinky.
Yeah, Crew, are you gonna change his diaper?
No, it's too yucky.
Oh, too yucky?
Yeah.
What do you think his favorite food's gonna be?
McDonald's chicken nugget fries in the Coke. Chicken nugget fries in the Coke.
Are you gonna give him your toy?
Yeah.
Your Happy Meal toy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really...
Can we see you? Can we see you, little brother?
They love you.
I love you. Bye. You gotta change your diapers.